Custom-built one-level home that is situated on 1.2 acres, conveniently located near Wonder Lake. Built with 2x6 walls, exterior, and has nice molding. The kitchen has solid surface countertops and includes all appliances. Includes an attached 4-car garage with RV hookups and a workshop area with AC. This room would be perfect for an older child or in-law suite. Over 3,000 square feet of heated/cooled living space. Added insulation and seasonal views of the water. Backyard has an orchard with fruit trees. Seller does not intend to sheetrock ceiling in garage due to the ability to fit a travel trailer in the garage. Home has a generator hookup as well. Fenced yard with metal and wood fence. Office area west/half bath and additional hobby room just off the garage area west/storage. Security equipment to remain with the home. Covered back porch with large backyard. Double width driveway to the home for larger equipment use and RVs. Sunroom just off the kitchen and family room.